The most common issue with a RAM key fob not working is a dead battery. RAM fobs typically use a CR2032 or CR2450 lithium coin cell battery. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, the fob might need to be relearned or reprogrammed. This involves cycling the ignition and pressing buttons in a specific sequence. For 2020 and newer RAM models, enter programming mode via the ignition and follow the button prompts. These two steps solve the majority of key fob issues. If battery replacement and relearn procedures don't fix your RAM key fob, the issue might be with your RAM's antenna or receiver. The antenna, often located in the rearview mirror or on the roof, and the receiver in the body control module detect the fob's signal. To test the antenna, hold the fob close to it and see if the vehicle responds. Common problems include physical damage, corrosion, or electromagnetic interference that can disrupt the signal. If faulty, antenna or receiver replacement usually requires a dealership visit, costing between $200 and $500. Keep in mind the signal range is typically 30 to 50 feet. Looking ahead, trends include smartphone integration for digital keys, making physical fobs less necessary. Advanced encryption and ultra-wideband technology are improving range and security. Battery-free fobs powered by kinetic energy or NFC are also in development. While hardware issues remain, software and digital solutions are becoming more prevalent. Always consult your RAM manual or a professional to avoid voiding your warranty.